This is Pioneer's MVH-S622BS. This is an in-dash 2-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVH-S622BS is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the MVH-S622BS features a 31-band EQ. The MVH-S622BS is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify, operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from a USB flash drive. And it works with SiriusXM satellite radio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, so pop this open and open the flap here. And the first thing we get is the wire harness. So this is the electrical wire harness that we'll use to make all of the connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. And those connections include power and ground and speaker connections. All of the electrical connections will happen here. Next up, we have a couple of install screws in a bag here. A bag of install screws. And then we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Then we have the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right onto your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card. Okay, there's the warranty card, and let's open the flap here. And we'll pull the receiver up out of there. There we go. As you can see, the Pioneer MVH-S622BS is a 2-DIN receiver with about half the depth of a conventional in-dash CD player. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. The front panel of the MVH-S622BS has a large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite compatible nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. Radio station presets are along the sides here. The auxiliary port is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. The system features multicolor illumination. Please note, the MVH-S622BS does not play CDs. On the back panel of the MVH-S622BS, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The optional SXV300 tuner from SiriusXM will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer MVH-S622BS has a built-in amplifier designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVH-S622BS. And what's in the box?